Hi everyone, today I'm in the factory and I'm going to show you the Model S Plaid seats in premium version. As you can see, this is the almost final version of the Plaid seat, but the headrest is not ready yet. But I'm going to show you some of the details of the new seat. As you can see, of course the badge is different. This is the Plaid badge and this is the ludicrous badge on the Model 3Y ludicrous seat. And the second difference is the shape of the seat. As you can see, there are a lot of angles here and here. Compared to the round shape on the ludicrous seat, it looks more sporty. And the third one, you can see the holes. The ventilator hose is all around the seat, including the top panel. Compared with the ludicrous one, you can see there are no holes here. As you can see, the ludicrous seat is more hugging and come with a thicker headrest. But the Plaid seats come with a thinner headrest, and also this side is flatter. That's the major differences between the two seats. If you want to know more about our Plaid seats, welcome to come to EVOffer.com for more details. I will see you next time. Bye.